Hey foodies, if you're still dunking your meals into vats of oil just to get that crispy goodness, it's time we had a little chat. Let's face it, traditional deep frying is messy, smelly, and not exactly the healthiest option out there. But what if I told you there's a way to enjoy all that delicious crunch without the guilt? Say hello to air frying, the future of cooking that's taking kitchens by storm. You might have noticed that air fryers have become the hottest kitchen gadget in recent years. From sizzling on social media feeds to popping up in your friend's kitchen, these nifty appliances are everywhere. And it's no surprise, people are looking for healthier ways to enjoy their favorite foods without sacrificing flavor. Ever wondered how you can achieve that golden crisp without all the extra oil and calories? Well, stick around because we're diving into the crispy, delicious world of air fryers. In today's video, we'll explore how air fryers work their magic, the endless cooking possibilities, and how they stack up against traditional deep fryers. I'll share some handy cleaning tips to keep your air fryer in tip-top shape and avoid common pitfalls. And of course, we'll unveil the best air fryers of 2025, from the bestseller to budget-friendly options. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, there's something here for everyone. So, ready to step up your cooking game and join the air fryer revolution? Let's dive in and discover how you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods in a healthier, easier way. How air fryers work. All right, let's get down to business. How do these magical machines work? At their core, air fryers are like mini convection ovens. They use rapid air technology to circulate hot air around your food at high speeds. This rapid circulation cooks your food evenly from all angles, giving you that perfectly crispy exterior and tender interior we all crave. The secret sauce is the combination of a powerful heating element and a high-speed fan. The heating element warms the air to temperatures between 300 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 150 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius. The fan then swiftly circulates this hot air around the food placed in the basket or tray. This process mimics the effect of deep frying, but uses little to no oil. Unlike traditional frying, where your food is submerged in oil, air frying requires just a light spritz or brush of oil, if any at all. This means fewer calories and less fat, without sacrificing that delicious fried taste and texture. Plus, air fryers often cook food faster than conventional ovens, saving you time in the kitchen. It's a win-win. What you can cook in an air fryer. So, what can you whip up in an air fryer? The possibilities are nearly endless. First off, the classics: French fries, chicken wings, and mozzarella sticks. These fan favorites come out crispy and golden, just like they would from a deep fryer. But it doesn't stop there. You can bake muffins, cookies, and even small cakes. Roasted veggies like Brussels sprouts and sweet potatoes turn out caramelized and delicious. Fancy some salmon or shrimp? Seafood cooks beautifully in an air fryer. From reheating leftover pizza to making grilled cheese sandwiches, the air fryer is incredibly versatile. Almost any recipe that calls for frying, baking, or roasting can be adapted. So go ahead, get creative, and experiment with new recipes. Air fryer versus deep fryer. What's better? Time for the showdown. Air fryer versus deep fryer. Deep frying immerses food in oil, which can add a lot of extra fat and calories. Air fryers, on the other hand, can reduce oil usage by up to 80%. That's huge for anyone looking to eat healthier. But does it taste as good, you ask? Absolutely. Air-fried foods achieve a crispy exterior and juicy interior. Some even say they prefer it because it's less greasy but still full of flavor. Air fryers are super convenient. They heat up quickly, cook faster, and are easier to clean. Plus, no dealing with hot oil means fewer safety sides like burns or kitchen fires. Safety first. Think about all the oil you use in deep frying. Not cheap. With an air fryer, you save on oil and energy costs, as they use less electricity than larger ovens. While deep fryers have their place, air fryers offer a healthier, safer, and more convenient way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. For most households, the air fryer is the clear winner. Air fryer cleaning tips and common mistakes. Keeping your air fryer clean ensures it works efficiently and lasts longer. Here's how to do it right. Cleaning steps. 1. Always unplug your air fryer and let it cool completely before cleaning. 2. Take out the basket and pan. Most are dishwasher safe, but check your manual. If washing by hand, use warm, soapy water and a soft sponge. 3. Gently wipe the inside with a damp cloth sponge. Avoid abrasive materials that can damage the non-stick coating. 4. If you notice any residue on the heating element, gently clean it with a soft brush. Just make sure everything is dry before using again. Common mistakes to avoid. Not cleaning after each use can lead to residue buildup, affecting performance or causing unpleasant odors. Using harsh chemicals can damage your air fryer. Stick to mild dish soap. Never submerge the main unit in water. It's electric. Pro tips: use parchment paper or liners to make cleanup a breeze. Just ensure they're safe for air fryers. Avoid overcrowding. It can lead to uneven cooking and make your fryer messier. Give your food some space. The best air fryers of 2025. Now let's unveil the top air fryers of 2025. A. Bestseller currently. Introducing the Airwave Pro X5 by Culinary Tech, the hottest seller on the market. Key features: capacity, a generous 5.8-quart basket, great for families. Power, 1700 watts for quick, even cooking. Temperature range, 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, covering all your cooking needs. Functions, 10 preset modes, digital touchscreen, and a shake reminder. Curious about the Airwave Pro X5? Check out the link in the description for pricing and more details. B. Best Smart Air Fryers. Tech lovers, meet the Smart Fry Elite by Kitchen Genius. Smart features: app control, adjust settings from your phone. Voice command, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Custom presets, save your favorite cooking settings. Want to see if the Smart Fry Elite is right for you? Find more info in the description below. C. Best Compact Air Fryers. For those with limited space, the Ninja Crisp Mini is a game changer. Ideal users. Size, 2-quart capacity, perfect for singles or couples. Benefits: compact design saves counter space. Interested? Check out the description for links to the Ninja Crisp Mini and other compact models. D. Best Large Capacity Air Fryers. Feeding a crowd? The Family Chef XXL has you covered. Who benefits? Capacity, massive 10-quart capacity, great for big families. Features: dual baskets for cooking multiple dishes at once. Find out more about the Family Chef XXL in the description below. E. Best Budget Air Fryers. On a budget, the EcoFry Budget Pro delivers quality without the hefty price tag. Affordable quality. Price under $60, a steal. Features: 3.2-quart capacity, easy-to-use dial controls. Grab the EcoFry Budget Pro through the link in the description and start air frying without breaking the bank. So, we've journeyed through the exciting world of air fryers. From understanding how they work to exploring all the delicious foods you can make, it's clear that air fryers are a fantastic addition to any kitchen. They offer a healthier alternative to deep frying without sacrificing taste or convenience. Plus, with so many options available, there's an air fryer to suit every need and budget. Ready to make the leap into healthier cooking? Check out the links in the description for more details on all the air fryers we discussed today. Whether you're looking for high-tech features or budget-friendly simplicity, your perfect air fryer is just a click away. I'd love to hear from you. Do you have an air fryer? What's your favorite thing to cook in it? Got any secret recipes or tips? Drop them in the comments below and let's start a tasty conversation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might be considering an air fryer. For more product insights and reviews, subscribe to ProductWise. We're all about helping you make informed decisions. All right, that's a wrap. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel for more product insights and the latest reviews. Thanks for watching and happy air frying.